I'll write the program that is print 1 to 10 using recursive way. Any other program you need a clarification, let me know.
Sir, I want sixth one. What are the program? Write a program to add all entire numbers using do while. All entire numbers.
Did you watch our video?
Huh.
Then that's what the program I explained, right? That's what the program I explained here.
Okay.
This is the one, right? This is the program.
Yeah, sir.
Hmm.
Random. Factorial also do.
Okay. So there is no return type because this is the 1 to 10 I am printing. So you have to create a function. Okay, you have to create a function first.
So yesterday I got one more dot. Without we are taking any input, na sir, by using scanner. Without taking input directly, we want to give in system dot out dot. How you can tell that type also, sir?
Do while.
Do while loop.
No, anywhere you can use that scanner class. So I don't understand your. Anywhere you can use a scanner class, not only
Without using scanner,
right?
without using scanner, we can write sir do while loop.
No, do scanner is just to give input, man. Why do you need a?
Okay.
We don't need. Even I can take this as a parameters.
As a
I can take
parameters.
parameters. While calling the method, you give the values. Either you can give a parameters or you can use the scanner class. Scanner class, what it is doing while running the program time, you are giving the input to the method. You got it?
Got
Then same you will do here with parameters.
parameters.
The parameters, you have to see that. But that's what this kind of programs you have to give an input while running the program itself.
Okay.
You cannot do parameterized means only one value you can give, right? Multiple values you cannot give.
We cannot.
So that's why you have to use this scanner class for this kind of problems.
Okay.
Okay. So print numbers.
Written like this one. Okay, we can do it.
So then you have to call the function. Okay, you have to call the function.
Compulsory, we want to call the function, sir, in this program.
Yeah, you have to call the function, right? Otherwise, how do you? So this is the recursive means mandatory. The method name itself you have to call inside the method body.
Okay.
So that is what the main recursive means. So you have to call n plus 1. Then only it will write. So the answer you have to give, the number you have to call 1. So it will go 1 to 10. So this one is 1 greater than C. If we give 1, what will happen? So this is not true. So it will come here 1 will print,
1
and
plus
this will repeat. So for
1
example, if I call here print numbers, print numbers, right?
That's a non-static method, sir. We need to
Oh,
create a
non-static.
Object
So,
reference stored.
here.
so what I'm going to do, I have two methods. So
Hmm.
that's why immediately, otherwise I'll make it a static. So then you can simply call print numbers. I'll give 1. Now what will happen? So first 1 came, it will print here 1,
One.
and here it will
1
come
plus
1 plus
2.
1, 2.
So 2, so it will
2
go
will
again, it will
Okay,
check
sir.
here, and 2 will print, and it will become 3. Again it will
3.
keep rotating, keep rotating, keep
Yeah.
rotating. So until the numbers that you want. So let's see that. I don't want to execute this. Okay, so terminate and run it back. See, 1 to 10 printed. Okay. Yeah. So let's go to for loop, next one. So what is for loop? So till now we have seen while loop, do while loop. So the order is first initialization, condition, body, then increment. So this is the order, right? This is the 1, 2, 3, 4.
While
1 is the initialization, 2
okay.
is condition,
Condition,
3 is
body,
body, 4 is
4 is
increment part.
increment.
Increment or decrement part. Same order even in for loop also it will execute. Order doesn't change which loop it is, order doesn't change. So that is the this for loop. So for loop is basically it's a similar kind of while loop, but there is a slight change. Even in the structure, also it is different. So a for loop user wants to execute a block of code several times. It means the number of iterations you know, then you go for the for loop. If you don't know number of iterations, only you know the condition, go for the while loop. So the iterations are fixed. You know, I want 10 numbers, 10 iterations. I want 100 numbers, 1 to 100 numbers, 100 iterations. So you know that iterations, then you go for that. Or I don't know, just while, so condition is true or some expression, and you can use the while loop. That's the main objective of this while loop and for loop difference. So Java provides a concise way of writing a loop structure. Simply, these are the 4 parts: initialization, condition, body of the loop, increment, decrement part.
Increment, decrement.
So here you will write for bracket initialization. If for while loop initialization we write outside of the, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
outside initialization done. Then condition you have written in the while condition, but
While
here
condition.
all are in the single line. So for bracket initialization semicolon condition semicolon increment or decrement. So curly bracket statements, curly bracket end. So that is what this for loop and while loop difference, but execution is same order. So
Same.
sir, you have put here initialization condition, but increment here. Will it go increment or will it go here? No. The order I told you 1, 2, 3. So 1, 2, it will come here 3. Then it will go to the fourth here. After body execution only, it will go to increment and decrement part. Anybody having doubt on this? This is the order. Order I have written here very clearly. That is the initialization. Then condition. If condition is true, cursor will jump into the for loop body. Body inside what are the statements are there, all statements will execute. Then it will go to increment and decrement part. Okay, so this is the
Sir, in this we can use any data type like no sir. For loop only like int and char only we can use it.
I already told loops you can use any kind of
Only
data type.
int
So any kind
and
of
char.
data type means only integer and
Int and
character
char.
only.
Character.
Int and character only. No other.
Only loop. Okay.
No
Loops.
other data type.
All loops.
Any loop, only integer and characters only. No strings, nothing.
Okay.
Okay, again, so print 1 to 10 numbers. You can see for int I equal to 1, I less than or equal to 10, I plus plus. See, I'm starting with I equal to 1. So 1 and the second part, I replace it with 1. So replace this place 1 less than or equal to 10. First iteration, true, comes inside. So only I have a print statement in the print body. So just print the body, that is, so 1 will print, space will print. Again, it will go to increment part. So 1 plus 1. So you will get a 2. Now current I value is 2. So again it will go to, once the increment part is over, it will go to the condition place. So condition is true. It will check the condition. Condition is true. Comes inside the body. So once the body execution over, then it will go to increment or decrement part. So the increment part will execute. It will become 3. Again, once this latest I value you got it here, where it will go? It will go to condition place. Condition will check. If the condition is true, comes inside, then next number will print. So like that it will iterate till 10 numbers. So those all iterations you write like this. Then only it will be easy for you. Otherwise it is difficult. Okay. See that this diagram explains very nicely. See, control flow diagram we call this. This diagram you fix in your mind. See that initialization, first cursor will go start here in the initialization. Then where it is pointing?
I greater than less than
Condition.
condition.
You have to say condition.
Okay, sir.
Condition is true. So condition is true. What is happening? It is coming into
Will inside loop. What?
Side of the
body
loop.
of the loop.
Sorry,
Body
body
of
of
the loop. Body of the loop. Once body is over, where it is going again?
Increment or decrement.
Increment.
So once increment
Increment.
is done, where it is going?
Then
Again
condition.
condition.
Condition, again condition.
See the cycle. See how easy it is to understand the flow diagram. At least if you don't understand this also, I cannot help. Nobody can help. See how easy the arrow marks first starts here, then condition is false. What is happening? It is exiting entire for loop. If condition is false, it exits entire for loop. If condition is true, it's keep on doing this. So this is the how loop will execute. Okay. Any doubts here?
No, sir.
Amrita,
Yes, sir.
are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
So now itself you need to ask guys if you have any doubts. See, this is the all basics. So don't be silent. If you don't understand, ask me again. I'll explain if you have a doubt. So that is a while loop itself has given a clear picture. If you know while loop, all the iterations, and this is easy. The order, first you need to remember the order. Okay, condition. If condition is true, it will go into the body. So that is a very important concept. Let's see here. So how many times below program will execute? So already we did in the while loop. Same program. For bracket int I equal to 2. This is the initialization. Semicolon I less than or equal to 20. Condition. Semicolon I times I. So now, so what is the procedure? Just follow pen and paper you take and write the iterations, all the iterations. So first initialization, it starts with initialization, right? 2, you replace here. 2 less than or equal to 20, true. True means comes inside. This is the print statement. So I value you are printing. So I value currently 2. So 2 will print. Again, so body is over. Body after where it will go? It will go to this
Condition.
course. No. Body after always. See the diagram. Body after where it is going?
Increment.
Increment.
Place.
Oh, place. Yes.
Increment, decrement. First you need to get the updated value every time. Every time you need to get the updated value. To get that updated value, see this diagram, fix this diagram. See how easy this diagram is showing. So see the body after where it is going? It is going to, this is the fourth portion. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4 you need to remember. 1 is initialization, 2 is condition, 3 is body, 4th is increment or decrement. You know, body after, you have to go to 4th. You should not jump to 2. That is wrong. So that's what is happening here. So I into I. So 2 into 2. 2 times 2 is 4. Now you got the latest I value. Again, now it will go to condition. So 2 less than or, so 2 into 4, 4 less than or equal to 20, true. Comes inside, 4 will print. Again goes here in the fourth part. 4 into 4, 16. So now it is, you got the updated value here. It will go to condition. 16 less than or equal
16
to 20,
less than or
true.
equals to 20.
True. So it comes inside 16 will print. So now it will go
Again,
to fourth
16 into 16.
portion. 16 times 16, 256. 256 less than or equal to 20, false.
False. It will
So
not.
it will not come inside the loop. Now, this one.
No?
Bhargav, tell me what is the output of this program?
Sir.
How many times it will
Is,
execute? 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 10 times, or infinite times?
1 second, 1 second. I am writing.
Mind calculation, you should not write. Why
No, sir.
need to
No.
write? You know
2
all
times,
the
sir.
iterations?
2 times. 2 times, sir. 2 times or not?
I already told you, don't be hurry. Execute all the iterations. Why you are not executing all the iterations? Iterations
1,
you need to
2,
execute. Iteration by iteration.
2, 3, 4.
Amruta,
9 iteration.
Sir.
how many times this will execute?
9 iteration. 11 times, sir.
Wrong answer, Bhargav. You are not executing. You are blindly telling. If you execute, you won't get that answers.
Sir, one time only, sir.
I think your loop concepts are you didn't understand.
3, sir.
You are missing the loop concepts.
Sir, infinite, sir.
Exactly. That's the answer, infinite.
Because it
It
will
will execute
reduce the
infinite.
iteration. It's a decrement only, so it will reduce the iteration.
See, your initialization is 1.
1.
Why you are not executing that way? Iteration by iteration, I told you already.
1 less than or
I equal
equals
to
to
1.
10. Plus 1
I less
minus
than or equal to 10. That
9
means
minus
1 less than or equal to 10, true. Comes inside, hello will print. Now where it will go? It will go to I minus minus. So what is I
Decrement
minus
operator.
minus? 1 minus 1, 0.
0.
1 minus 1, 0. Next, where it will go this part after?
0 minus 0.
increment.
0. Decrement operator.
So
Sorry,
it
decrement.
will go to conditions.
Condition.
So after this, it will go to condition, right? Now you got 0. Here, you got a 0 first iteration. 0 less than 10. True. Comes inside, hello will print. Again, the body is printed. Body after where it will go?
Decrement.
Decrement operator. Decrement operator.
Decrement. I already told you, you have to fix 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to fix 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't jump. Which part you executed? Immediately you move to fourth part. So now already 0. So I minus minus means I value 0 now. 0 minus 1 how much?
-1, sir.
Minus 1.
0 minus 1 how much? Amrita?
Minus 1.
Minus 1. Right? So minus 1. So minus 1 less than or equal to 10. True. So now see, you can realize now by the time now you can realize always your number is going to be less than 10 only.
10.
There is no chance of becoming a false this condition. That's why it will go infinite loop. Okay. So next this one also. For int I equal to 0, I greater than or equal to 0, I plus plus. So 0, so equal to 0 true. So I value will print 0. Again it will go and 1. So 1 greater than 0 true. 1 will print. Again 2. 2 greater. So here you can see immediately you can analyze. Okay. So I value is incrementing. But greater than always I value is greater than 0 only. So the condition is never going to be false in this case also. That's why this program also will go to infinite loop. Next. So this is another one which will go to infinite loop. This also will go to infinite loop. So there is nothing here. So the loop will go and keep on iterating, keep on whatever you write in the body that will execute it. So that is the this for loop.
Sir,
Let me
one
show
doubt, sir.
you.
Sir, if you get this type of infinite iterations, if you want to execute that type of conditions, how can you stop this, sir? You need to go forcefully stop it. Or is there any condition for that?
No condition. You have to forcefully
Hmm.
stop it.
Stop it.
You have to
The infinite
forcefully stop.
iterations, you need to go to forcefully stop it. Okay, sir.
So let me show you this for loop. So for loop demo, let me show you. I don't know how many have written 1 to 100 without using numbers. How many have completed that?
We written, sir.
I completed, sir.
ASCII keyword. I
Amrita, did you
checked
write?
number 00 U
No,
small
sir.
u.
Then why you didn't ask?
I didn't get your video, sir, in the Slack app.
It's in YouTube.
I think you
Save the
didn't know.
playlist.
See, this is the problem. I told you several times for you. First, you should subscribe to our channel, Amrita.
I did, sir.
Automatically, you will get a notification. So
Okay.
then why you are not going to that YouTube channel?
I didn't see any uploads from your channel, sir. Even in the Slack app also, there is a pins, right?
Slack, it won't invite.
No.
Slack, if you click on pins, so you will see there, and you have to go all the way top, all the way bottom side. In the initially, I put this YouTube channel. If you click this, right, or copy this
Here
and
we
paste
written.
in the browser. I already several times I told you. I don't know why you are still in the old place only. Huh?
I opened CoreJava December 2024.
Yeah, this one only. I'm clicking on that. Automatically it will open directly.
I opened that, sir.
Save the playlist and
You
permission
can
to
see
all videos.
the one. You can see, right?
I saw that, sir.
See, this is the one. I just clicked on that, it opened directly. And these are the videos, right? This is the order also I mentioned very clearly with the date and time. You can go, even your planning also should be as per this date wise. As per this date wise. You should start your learning also. You don't need to move to last one or no. So you can just see in the order, which order we started, that order. See, we started in the, I think, so December, we started somewhere around December 16, December 9th.
December 9th. 8, sir.
4th,
8 or 4, 4.
4th, 3rd, we started on 3rd. So this order, 3rd, 4th, 5th, like that, you have to check that. That's our learning also, you have to do the same way.
Okay.
Okay, fine. So now, okay, I'm also over. Let's get Jain back and